Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact Hyperx Cloud 2 model and doing quick hardware isolation. First, plug the headset into a phone. This tells you if the headset or PC is at fault. Once done, inspect the braided cable and 3.5 mm plug for bends or frays. Damaged wires cause intermittent sound. Then test the USB sound card in a different USB port and on another computer to confirm if the dongle is failing. These steps save time and pinpoint the real problem quickly. Once hardware is checked, you move to drivers and settings. Uninstall the audio drivers from Device Manager and reboot so Windows reinstalls them cleanly. This clears corrupt driver states. Make sure to disable audio enhancements because they can conflict with the Cloud 2 USB dongle processing. Then set the default playback to 24-bit, 48,000 Hz for stable audio. If using the USB sound card, update USB hub drivers and remove any ghost devices, because driver mismatches often cause dropouts and mic failure. To finish, you replace trial components and verify function. Swap in a known good 3.5 mm cable. If sound returns, the cable was the culprit. If using the USB dongle, test with another dongle or external DAC. This isolates the accessory. Reset any EQ or headset profiles to defaults and record a quick voice note to confirm mic gain and clarity. If problems persist, carefully reseat all connectors and ports, and if still unresolved, contact Hyperx support. But first,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.